Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a 70mm cylindrical Viro. It's missing its hologram for authenticity, but I have no reason to doubt that this is the real McCoy. Hardened shackle, made in Italy. Now, there's the bitting, and there we go. It is key retaining. The shackle pops up just enough. Doesn't quite clear the body of the lock. And if we notice here, there are two locking pawls on opposite sides. So, lovely lock, and for a 4-pinner, well, for 4+1 we'll call it. It's a fairly tricky pick. Where did I leave my 1.2mm tensioner? There it is. I think it's at 1.2. Yes, 1.2 will fit there. So, first thing I'm going to do is slide along the bottom. And straight away we get a click, and I felt a slight turn on the core. There is a little check pin on the bottom of the keyway. Which, if you don't know, if you don't know about it, it will make picking this impossible if you're not aware of it. I've lost my false set. There we go. Pin 1 was a very high lift, and we are open. Yeah, so there is a check pin in the bottom of the keyway there. Sometimes you'll need to hit that check pin first before any of the other pins will start to bind. So there we go. The 70mm Viro cylindrical lock. Lovely thing, a very hefty lock. 70mm that way. I mean, what are the other dimensions? I mean, diameter wise, it is about 32.5mm in diameter. The shackle is about 12mm. So yeah, very hefty. And can we see down in there? The locking pawl is retracted in here, so it will slide out into this groove, and there will be another one on the opposite side that slides into this groove. Yeah, it's a lovely lock. I picked it up in a job lot, and I was quite happy to win that auction. Just for this lock, really. Gorgeous. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.